Alright, my friends, I'm back once again, featuring how to make the KBL Ilonggo style, meaning Kadios Baboy Langka. What's this? And it's easy to cook. It's smoking hot. The soup with the rice. KBL menu for tonight. Here you go. The HOCK is being boiled in preparation for the Ilonggo dish with an abbreviation of KBL. We boil this for almost 2 hours so that it will become soft. We have some onion, garlic, salt, lemongrass, and a little bit of spices. It's still in the boiling process. It will wait a while. We are cooking the HOCK right now, and we let it boil. We boiled this already for almost 2 hours, and by that means the HOCK will be very soft to bite. We put the ingredients here such as garlic, shallot, lemongrass, and the special, the butt one from Iloilo. And also we added a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of our secret spices. So we have to wait on the beans that we have to mix here. We call it Kadios, but I forgot what's the name. I think it's pigeon beans, but I'm not really sure. Takes long time to cook this kind of food, but if you have the patience, you have to do it, or else you cannot eat it. It's really boiling so hard. But it looks like it's still a little bit hard. Alright, we're gonna put Kadios beans in the green jackfruit. We're gonna mix it together and boil it again until it's gonna be cooked. Again, and it's done. All of the ingredients are mixed up already. The beans, the green jackfruit, and the HOCKS. It's all mixed together, and we have to wait it boils, and that will be done. And that will be chow time already. It's smoking hot. The soup with the rice. KBL menu for tonight. I enjoy a lot of all the food on my plate. I finish it all. And if you guys want to cook in your house, you can speed up the process by using the pressure cooker to soften your meat. So thank you guys for watching, and wait for my next vlog. And by the way, the meaning of KBL is Kadios, Baboy, Langka, and Ilonggo.